Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to craft Refined Palmar Pill in Crimson Desert. A Refined Palmar Pill requires 4 ingredients it to be crafted. I'll cover each ingredient and where to get them. First, to gather our longhorns, head to this side of the map. This spot is around the center of the Hernand region. If you follow a straight path starting from the letter R, you'll reach the Abyss Nexus where we'll farm our longhorns. Once you get here, you'll immediately see a herd of deers just by the Abyss Nexus. Farm these deers to get our longhorns. You can keep on fast traveling in this Abyss Nexus to respawn the deers that you just hunted. For our second ingredient, make your way to the Mountain of Frozen Souls, still in the Hernan region. The spot should be northeast of these words at the bottom of the waterfall. This is the spot where we'll gather our palmar leaves and beetles. Gather as much as you can before we head to the next area to get our last ingredient. Now go back to the city of Hernand and go inside the castle walls. You can find a well on the upper right of the castle walls. Just stand on the exact spot where I am and you won't be able to miss it. Use the well to get water, or you can buy water from multiple taverns and provisions vendor that you've found across Piewell. Now find a cauldron, either at your camp house or any witch's house. If you already found the recipe for the refined Palmar pill, then you should be able to instantly craft it. If you don't have it, you can select improvise and drop one of each ingredient we gathered in the cauldron. Mixing these set of ingredients should give you a refined Palmar pill, and doing this a couple of times will reward you with the recipe. And that's the easy way to craft refined Palmar pill in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.